Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Paramount Plus. Now, most of the series or the movies in Paramount Plus are in English, and it really depends if there are some that are, say for example, in a different language at the beginning, and then you can go ahead and change this to English. But this really depends on the series or the movie itself, but you can actually go ahead and do this. Before you go ahead and play this, there should be an information that allows you to see if there are some additional languages available. Let's say we have this series here, and as you can see here, it has English subtitles and audio available. So this is a series in Korean. However, you can go ahead and change this into English. So how do we do that? For example, let's go ahead and play the first episode. Now how we can actually go ahead and change the language is all we need to do is go right here on the top right, and you should be able to see subtitles and audio. So just go ahead and click on this, and then you can go ahead and change the audio right here. You can change this to American English, or you can change this to Korea. So that's how you can change language on Paramount Plus. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.